How to download YouTube videos on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. First, launch YouTube app from your homepage and make sure that you have signed into your account. Once you're on the home feed of YouTube, you can tap on the search icon at top right corner of your screen and then type in the channel's name. Now you can simply search the video that you want to download. If the video is not premium, you can easily download it for free. Tap on three dots of particular video and tap on download button. In order to see all your downloads, you can go to your profile at bottom right corner of your screen and then scroll down and tap on downloads. And here you can easily see that the video has been downloading. So once it gets downloaded, you can easily watch the video offline. So if you are the premium user, you can even download the premium videos as well and watch it offline. And that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.